Moving on, if you're looking for automated scanning, our Dash scanner performs unlimited automated scans to detect vulnerabilities. You can access it from right here. Our scanner conducts over 10,000 tests covering the OS top 10 known CVEs. It analyzes your entire web application down to its smallest components like APIs, underlying cloud infrastructure, user roles, etc. As you can see over here, we have three different type of tests. A full automated scan usually scans for your entire infrastructure and every possible endpoint. This usually takes around 12 to 24 hours to complete. Then our scanner is constantly evolving and learning from the real world pen tests performed by our security engineers. So this scan ensures that you are up to date with all latest emerging trends in the cybersecurity space, and it takes around 1 hour to complete. Lastly, we have lightning scan, which scans for all basic security vulnerabilities in your infrastructure. We suggest you to do this every day. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to schedule your scans with your release cycle, be it weekly or bi-weekly, you can do so by clicking on automations here and then click on create scan schedule. You can select your target and then you can create your scan schedule over here. You can have an entire view of all the running scans right here, and you can check the progress over here, and you can look for all the possible vulnerabilities reported over here. You can manually take a look at them. You can assign your peers. You can get a better understanding with the help of an astronaut bot, and you can also drop comments and start a discussion with a security analyst. And once you're done reviewing all the vulnerabilities, you can ask for a vetted scan where one of our security experts will manually assess your report, your vulnerabilities, and check for false positives. Lastly, Astra integrates with all major CI/CD tools, including Jira, Slack, so that your workflow and pipeline remains smooth. And using these integrations, you can make sure that Astra is a deeper part of your workflow, or let alone security is a part of your entire workflow. So that's about it with the DAS tool.